So in the last class, I told you that your finger movement is little bit wrong. Okay. So today we are going to work on finger movement, right? And to make your finger movement correct, I will be doing on my tool and you have to do with me on your tool. Okay. So let's start making numbers on the tool, and this will help you to increase your speed also, right? So first, with thumb of left hand, make one.
Ma'am, I'm actually not having the tool, so I'm going to buy it.
So you can buy from the stationery or you can order online. This is your wish from where you want to get the tool. Okay. So now let's start. Meanwhile, if you have phone and laptop both, so you can download the tool in your phone.
How, ma'am? Can you tell me?
Do you have that? You have phone and laptop both?
Yes,
Tell me.
ma'am. I'm having phone and laptop.
Okay. So wait, I'm just sending you link of the tool, and you can download. Okay, from the.
Okay.
Just a second now.
Okay, ma'am.
See, I have sent. You just check
Yes, ma'am. I have got it.
and go through this. You can download the tool in your phone, and after that you can start doing work. Okay. So let's start.
Okay.
So I told you, beat up with the left hand thumb, beat down with index finger. Okay. Now make two with thumb. Keep doing it with me. Remove two, index finger. Three, thumb. And you know my tool is very big as compared to your tool. Yours, the size of your tool is this much only. And here it is very big. Okay. Now remove the index finger. Thumb, four, thumb. Remove four, index finger. Bring upper bead down, finger. Remove upper bead, index finger. Upper bead down, finger. Remove it with finger only. Okay. Now 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, 4 minus 4. Got it? Now start doing it.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll be dictating.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can you
Yes.
see this, ma'am? What should I press?
What?
What should I press, ma'am?
Where? Yeah, these are the beats. You can start doing work on it. See, from the center rod, 1 minus 1, 2, remove 2. This is how you have to keep it straight. Okay. Otherwise, your bead will be moving. My tool is wooden. Its bead doesn't. Yeah, keep it on the floor. Or wherever you are sitting, keep it down. Only then upper bead will not come down. Okay. Upper bead should be in upper portion, lower bead should be in lower portion. Right? Clear? Okay. So now, yeah, make one with thumb. Remove one, index finger. Two with thumb. Two down with index finger. Three, thumb. Remove three, index finger. Four, thumb. Remove four, index finger. 5, upper bead down, index finger. Remove 5, index finger only. Now 6. For 6, pinch in. You can use only thumb and index finger. I need to use all the fingers because my tool is very big. Now pinch out. Remove 6. 7, pinch in. Remove 7, pinch out. 8, pinch in. Remove 8, pinch out. 9, pinch in. Remove 9, pinch out. Okay? Now I'll be dictating you, right? And you have to make the numbers on the tool. Okay? So, make 1, remove 1. Make 2, remove 2. Make 3, remove 3. Make 4, remove 4. Make 5, remove 5. Make 6, remove 6. Make 7, remove 7. Make 8, remove 8. Make 9, remove 9. Okay? Now, what is this? Who is going to tell me? What is this? Yes,
Ma'am,
Nitin?
that's
10, ma'am.
Yes, this is 10. Okay, 1, 0, 10. Now make 11. Make 12. Remove 12. 13. Remove 13. 14. Remove 14. 15. Remove 15. 16. Remove 16. 17. Remove 17. 18. Remove 18. Nitin, are you making number on your tool? 19. Now remove 19.
Ma'am, can you slow down? I can't keep up with your finger movement. It's going very fast.
Who is saying this?
Ruchika.
Yeah, Ruchika, don't worry, because you are attending class for the first time, na? That is why it is happening. Don't worry. You watch all the videos, you practice, you will be doing with. Wait. Just a second, na? Just a second. Nobody is waiting room, na? Okay, so now let's start doing question. Today I'm going to teach you little bit double digit also. Okay, how to subtract direct number from double digit, right? So 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 7 plus 2. What's the answer?
4, ma'am.
4. Correct. 4. Very good. Next question. 7 plus 2 minus 6 plus 1 plus 5. Answer?
9.
9.
Focus on my finger movement, okay? The way I am moving the beads, right? 2 plus 7 minus 3 plus 1 plus 2 minus 6. Answer?
Ma'am, it's 3.
3. Ipshita, are you getting the answers? Good. Nitin, are you getting answers? Very good. Beats clear? Okay. Now tell me which number I have made. What is this?
Ma'am,
33, ma'am.
33. Okay. If I remove 2 from 33, listen to me very carefully. I will remove 2 from the one slot. Okay. I have subtracted 2 from the 33. Now what is the answer?
31. 31.
31.
31.
31.
Very good. Okay. Now, in this number only, I will add 12. So, 1 here, 2 here. Now, what is the answer?
43.
43.
43.
43.
Very good. Now,
0.
wait, link. Just a second. Here's the link. Yeah. So, let's do next question. Make 57. Now minus 2. What's the answer?
55.
55. Very good. Okay. 73. Make 7. And you have to do all the question on your tool also. Okay. So make 73. This is 73. Minus 2. Answer.
71.
71.
Okay, in 71 plus 10. Answer.
81.
Very good. 81. Okay, in 81 plus 12. Answer.
93.
Excellent. 93 is the correct answer. Very good. Okay, from 93 minus 31.
62.
62.
Okay, here, listen one thing. While doing double digit, we always subtract the number on the higher place first. Suppose you have 62 we have. From 62, I have to subtract 11. Okay, or 12. So first I will subtract 1. After that, I will subtract 2. Okay, in case you are adding or subtracting double digit number, higher place number will be first. After that, unit place number. So what's the answer now? It's 50. Okay, now in case of in 50, I'm adding 32. 3 to 32.
It's 82.
82, very good. Now suppose from 82, I have to subtract 1. Now I have to subtract only one number, that is from unit place. So I will directly subtract 1. So what's my answer?
81.
81. Now today I'm going to teach you one more thing. Suppose we have a question 2 plus 2. Now in that question I have to add 1. Now listen to me very carefully. Keep yourself on mute and listen to me carefully, okay? So 2 plus 2, 4. Here I have to add 1. But I don't have sufficient beads. How can I add 1? Because there is no 1. From where I will bring 1? That means I don't have to do calculations. No. See, sometimes if you are in a class and if you don't have a pencil or eraser, what do? You borrow from your friend, na?
Yes.
You ask for the help. So like we have friends, in the same way, numbers are also having friends. Okay. So here also, numbers are having friends. If I make 1 on my finger, how many fingers are folded here? Count. Don't consider it as a 5. You just count 1 finger here, 4 finger here.
4.
4. So who is the friend of 1? 4. Okay. If you make 2, who is the friend of 2?
3.
3. If I make 3, who is the friend of 3?
2.
If I make 4, who is the friend of 4?
1.
So, like we have friends, in the same way, numbers are also having their friends. Okay. Now, in the question, we have to add 1 now. So, I asked from 5 that 5, please help me, I want to add 1. So 5 is saying, I will help you, I will give you 1, but you remove friend of 1. Who is the friend of 1?
4.
So I will bring down 5 and I will remove the friend of 1. And I have done my question. What is my answer?
5.
Great. Let's do it again. So see, when I bring 5 down, when I touch the bead with this value bar, what I do? I plus the number. That means if I bring it down, I'm adding it. If I'm removing any number, that means I'm subtracting it. Okay. So let's do one more question. 3 plus 1, again plus 1. Now, how can I do? Plus 5 down and remove friend. Who is the friend of 4? Who is the friend of 1? That is 4. Friend of 4 is 4. So I will bring down 5 and I will remove 4. Okay. And my answer is 5. Let's do again. 6 plus 3 minus 2 minus 5 plus 2 plus 1. Now, no bead is here. 5 down and friend of 1 removed. That means 4 down. Now, I will tell you one more thing. Now, we'll write it down. Okay. So, wait. I'm just sharing my...
Ma'am, we should write in a book.
Yeah. Now, open your... you have to open your copy. And now, you have to do the writing work. So...
Ma'am, 1 second. I'm getting my book.
Yeah, sure. You just have one copy with you. So, I'm just sharing the screen. Put the heading 5's complement. Okay, what's the problem? Wait, let me share it again. Or what I can do? Yeah, I can. Just a second, huh? So here, put the heading 5's complements. So I told you friends. So first write friends. Who is the friend of 1? 4. Who is the friend of 2? 3. Who is the friend of 3? 2. Who is the friend of 4? It's 1. Right? Now for adding 1, I told you one thing. Bring 5 down. When we bring 5 down, that means we are adding 5. And we removed 4. When we remove 4, that means minus 4. So plus 1 is equals to plus 5 minus 4. Okay. And whenever you apply the complement now, you have to speak. Whenever you are doing plus 1, say plus 5 minus 4. We'll do the practice. Don't worry. And first we'll do the practice of plus 1 only, but you write all the complements. Plus 2 is equals to plus 5 minus 3 plus 3. When you have to use these complements, when you are not having sufficient beads in lower portion, okay? See, these are the 4 complements which you have to learn now. Okay. And you should, it should be You have to learn all these 4 complements, okay?
Yes, ma'am. 5's compliments.
Yes. Shreyasi, Violet.
Ma'am, I had a power cut, ma'am, just now, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
I was trying to join, ma'am. That's the reason.
Note it down, note it down. Then I will share my
Yes,
tool
ma'am.
and we'll do some questions there, okay? So that
Ma'am,
it will be. Yeah.
Ma'am, you told that too, ma'am. I'll do, ma'am.
ma'am, completed.
Very good.
Ma'am, done, ma'am.
Done.
Done.
Ma'am, done.
Great, 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 great.
I'm done.
Okay.
And then, ma'am.
Now, shall I stop sharing my screen? All of you have done? Kritvik, have you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanskriti done?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have a doubt in polypad.
You have doubt in?
Ma'am, this polypad. Nothing.
What doubt?
Ma'am, when you were telling this, a picture came.
No, nothing is there.
Yes, ma'am. One picture was there here. And we did with the shapes.
I don't know what you are saying.
Yes,
In
ma'am.
the last time, when we were making shapes.
Yes, ma'am. When we were making tandem.
First of all, I'm not getting it that who is speaking.
Oh.
First of all, tell me who is speaking. Tell me your name.
Ma'am, this is Kritvik.
Kritvik. Okay, yeah, Kritvik, tell me. Kritvik, that the thing we were doing, that was tangram. Okay, that was tangram.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll do it slowly and gradually. I'll be telling you so
You
many
told that
new
I do,
things.
ma'am.
Yeah, that is very interesting. And slowly, I'll be telling you so many new things. So I will try to do activity in each and every class. Okay, you will understand. Don't worry. Okay. Now I will stop sharing my screen. And now I will share my tool. Okay. So wait. Soroban. Okay, now I'm sharing my tool. Can you see my tool? Okay, which one is better? The tool on the screen or the tool which is hanging behind me?
Ma'am, on your screen.
Ma'am, on your screen, ma'am.
You are saying, okay, so now I'm going to use both the tools, okay? Don't worry, I'm going to use both the tools.
Okay, ma'am.
Wait a second.
How, ma'am?
Sometime I will use that tool and sometime I will use this tool. Just a second. From where I make changes. Yeah. 17 after 15. 23. Yeah, now it's fine. Now tool is visible.
Ma'am, do I audible?
Yeah, everybody is audible. Yes, so ready? Yeah, let's start. Okay, so make 3 plus 6 minus 5 plus 1. Now we don't have bead. What we have to do? Plus 5 minus 4. bring 5 down and we remove the friend of 1, that is 4. So we are bringing down, that means we are adding. So plus 5 and we are removing 4, that means we are subtracting. So minus 5. Okay. So 5 is the answer. Are you getting this? If you are confused or if you are not getting this, now you have to tell me, okay? Instead of that after the class you say, I didn't get what ma'am did today. Okay? You have to tell me on the spot. Ma'am, how to do it? Okay? Yeah, Nitin, tell me.
Can you do that again?
Yeah, I will do all. We are going to do a lot of practice. Don't worry. Okay. Now let's start again. 4 plus 5 minus 3 minus 5 plus 3. Now plus 1. So for adding 1 plus 5 minus 4. And you have to speak. Only then you can learn these complements. Okay. So you have to speak all the complements. So what's the answer? 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
5.
Yes. Tell me. Any doubts, Anvi?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I just told 5, ma'am. I just told 5, ma'am.
I was
the
just
answer.
showing 5 like this.
Okay. 3 plus 6 minus 5. Now you have 1. In 1 you have to add 1. How will you add? Plus 5 minus 4. And the answer is 5. Are you having any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Clear the beads. Ready? 2 plus 7 minus 5 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. And the answer is 5. Okay. Very good. Kusumanjri, we make 5 like this. In abacus, we make 5 like this. Okay. Yeah. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, how to make, can you tell from 1 to 10?
1, sorry,
1 to 10, how to make with fingers?
1, 0, 10. They know, all of them know till 99, you know. They have done till 99. If you ask any number till 99, they can make on their hands.
Ma'am, can
You will also learn, don't worry.
I watched the video, that's why.
The video, you will learn everything, don't worry. Okay. 3 plus 1
Plus 1.
plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Okay. Bit here. 6, 3 minus 7 plus 2 plus 1 plus 5 minus 4. Answer is 5. I hope you are clear with it.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Good.
Can
Next,
you do this one again?
yeah. Let's do again. 6 plus 3 minus 7 plus 2. Now plus 1. So as we are not having the bead, we don't have one bead, we'll take 5. And what is the rule? To add 1 plus 5 minus 4. So the answer is 5. Okay. Let's do again. 4 plus 5 minus 3 plus 2 minus 5 plus 1 plus 1. Answer?
5.
Very good. Now, I will stop sharing my screen. Okay. And now I will dictate the question and I want to see your tool. Okay, just a second. Na? Give me a second. I'm coming. Okay, so I want to see your tool.
Ma'am, just a minute, ma'am. I'm shifting to my table, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, I should show in mobile.
Yes, definitely.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Can you see me? Can you see my tool?
Yes, I can see. I can see each and every tool. Very good. I like it. Ready?
If I'm showing, ma'am, if I'm showing like this, no, this.
Yeah. So your beads will come down. You cannot show me like this.
I'll show you.
See, Ipsita. See. Yes. Can you see Ipsita? She is also using the tool on phone. See how she has kept the phone. And she is doing question on phone. She has used the phone for many classes. Akshara is also using phone. See.
Ma'am, do
Yeah, very good, very good. Okay, now let's start. Let's start doing it. So, okay. Ready?
yes, ma'am.
2. Make 2, everybody. Very good. Plus 2. Okay. Plus 5. Very good. Minus 7. Perfect. So right now you are having correct 2. Okay, now plus 2. Okay, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
And now
Yes,
add 1. Add 1 and you have to speak the complement.
5. Oh, ma'am.
Five.
Plus 4.
Five.
Plus 5 minus 4. Okay. And what's the answer? Everybody, what's the answer? 5. Great, great. Correct answer. Okay. And now keep yourself unmute. Okay. Everybody keep yourself unmute.
Okay, ma'am.
Ready? Let's do next question. Right? So I have to speak the complement. When I say plus 1, use the complement, say plus 5 minus 4. Okay? Ready? Let's start.
ma'am.
3 plus 1 plus 5
plus 5
minus 8
minus
8.
minus 8.
The answer right now, it is 1. Yeah.
1, ma'am.
Plus 3. Yeah, plus 3.
Plus 3
Shivesh plus 3.
Ma'am, I can't hear you properly because there's like too much noise going on.
Plus 1. What's the complement?
Plus
5.
Minus 4. Very good, very good. Correct. Okay. Now keep yourself mute. Very good. Let's start doing the question. Okay. 3. Wait. Yeah. Make 3. Very
ma'am.
good. Akshara, correct. Nice. Shivesh on center rod. Very good. Okay. Plus 1. Now, Sanskriti, unmute yourself. Sanskriti, unmute yourself
Yes, ma'am.
and tell me how will you add 1 in this. Tell me the complement.
We will
Ma'am, can I?
take 4 down and add, and we will touch 5 to value bar, ma'am.
Very good. So what do we call it? Plus 1 is equal
Ma'am, 5
to plus 5
minus 4.
minus 4. Okay. You have to say plus 5 minus 4. And when I say unmute yourself, and if I call the name, so that child has to unmute. Okay. Only one by one, I'm giving you chance to everybody. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
what's the complement? Plus 5 minus 4. Okay. Again. Let's do it again. So keep yourself on mute. Ready? Okay. 9. Make 9. Minus 5. Minus 3. Plus 1. Plus 2. Now, Akshara, unmute yourself. Akshara.
Yeah, ma'am.
And tell me how will you add 1? Complement.
Well, we have to put 5 and then take away the 4.
Okay. And how do we call it?
Complement of 4.
No. Plus 5 minus 4. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. The thing I told you that we bring 5 down and we take away 4 or we remove 4, that was for your understanding so that you can understand easily. But you have to tell plus 5 minus 4. Okay. Again and again you have to speak plus 5 minus 4. Right? Yeah,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
the answer is 5. Correct. You are getting correct answer. That's great. But the complement, the way you have to speak the complement plus 5 minus 4.
Okay,
4
ma'am.
plus. Okay. Now again, and keep everybody mute yourself and let's start. Ready? Okay. So 3.
Excuse me, ma'am, I can't hear you.
3. Now, what happened? Why can't you hear me?
Ma'am,
Okay.
3.
Wait. I'm telling you again. Everybody make 3. Now plus 1. Plus 5. Minus 5. And now Shivesh, you have to add 1.
Ma'am, now I can hear you. I couldn't hear you for a
You
while.
couldn't hear me? Okay. So Hitesh, how will you add 1 in your answer?
So I would do plus 5 minus 4.
Very good. And what's the answer, Hitesh?
5.
Correct. It's correct. Very good. Okay. Next question. Let's do again. Okay. Ready? Okay. So make 9. Minus 7. Plus 2. And now, Kohinoor, how will you add 1? What's the complement?
Minus 5. Plus 5 minus 4.
Plus 5 minus 4. It's correct. And do it on your tool. And what's the answer, Kohinoor?
5.
Very good. It's correct answer. Okay, we have done a lot of practice. Now, move your screen up. And let's do some oral questions. Ready? Let's do some mental calculation. Students who have joined for the first time, you have to observe them that how they are doing oral questions. Okay, they imagine the beads in their mind and they solve the questions. Okay, so you have to observe them. If you are able to do, you can do. That's very great. If you're not able to do, you have to observe them. Okay, so now let's start our work. Ready?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, that's great. Let's start. 4 minus 2 plus 2 plus 5 minus 1. Videsh, answer.
What is the first number?
Sanskriti, answer.
Ma'am, 8.
Excellent, Sanskriti. See, if you miss the question, I have told you many times that I don't have any book from which I'm reading out the question. Okay, I'm telling it by myself.
Ma'am, one part also, if we miss it, ma'am, we
call
won't be
random
able to answer the whole question.
Yes.
Ma'am, one part also, if we miss it, ma'am, we won't be able to answer the whole question.
Yes, yes. So wait for the time. Okay, you just tell me, ma'am, I missed the question. Right? Yeah. So that you can do the next question, because I don't remember the question. I'm telling you the random numbers. That's
Ma'am,
why
ma'am,
if
I
I'm
have a
reading
doubt.
about, I can tell you. Yeah, who is having a doubt? Tell me.
Ma'am, me Kusmanjari, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, now we call this upper beans 5, no?
Yeah.
What do we call this down 4 B's?
These are lower bead. Each bead is having value of 1.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, 1 1 1, 4 lower beads. So if you bring 2 beads together, this become 2. If you bring 3 beads together, this become 3. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So let's start again. Let's do the question. Ready? Okay.
Ma'am,
So-
we should do it on tool.
No, you have to do mental calculation. So imagine the tool in your mind and move beads there with your fingers. Okay. So you are
Okay, ma'am.
ready? Great. 3 plus 1 plus 5 minus 2 minus 5. Shivesh, answer.
Ma'am, 2.
Excellent, Shivesh. Okay, let's do next question. Ready? Take abacus position. Close your eyes. Make 7 plus 2 minus 3 minus 1. Sanvi, answer.
5.
Correct. Excellent. Correct answer. Very good. Okay. Clear the beads. Let's do next question. Okay. 1 plus 3 plus 5 minus 1. Kritvik, did you get the answer?
Ma'am, 8.
Videsh, answer.
Ma'am, 8.
8. Shresi, answer.
Ma'am, 3.
3. Akshay, your answer?
Excuse me, ma'am.
8, ma'am.
Yes, 8 is the correct answer. Okay.
Ma'am,
Very
you told me minus 5, ma'am.
No. And the last I said minus 1. Let's do next question. Take abacus position, everybody. Ready? Okay. 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 minus 1. Answer. Everybody, unmute yourself and tell me.
8, ma'am.
Ma'am, 8. 8.
Correct answer. Very good. Very good.
There, ma'am.
I'm going to send this video to your parents, okay? So that they will come to know whether you are giving correct answers or not, okay? Yeah. So,
Okay, ma'am.
okay. In every class, I'm going to record a video and I'm going to send it on the group. Right? So that although recording is going on, I upload it on the YouTube, but for your group also, I will record the video and I will send. Right? Okay. So now, what happened, Nitin? Okay. Next question. 5 plus 4 minus 1 minus 5 plus 1. Answer?
Ma'am, 4.
4. Answer. Very good. Okay, now you all are getting correct answer. And now I want to increase the speed.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, what is 4 in abacus?
What is 4 on abacus? This is 4.
No, ma'am, with fingers.
I will correlate every number. Wait. See. 1 on tool, 1 on hand. Actually, I'm using opposite hand. We make number on hand on right hand, and we use tool with left hand. But as I'm sitting, so I'm using wrong hand. Okay. So you don't have to do this. 2 on tool, 2 on hand. 3 on tool, 3 on hand. 4 on tool, on hand. 5 on tool. This is 5 on hand. Okay. This is 6. 5 and 1, 6. On tool and on hand this. 5 and 1, 6. Okay. Now 5 and 2, 7. So 5 and 2, 7 on hand. Okay. Now 8. 5 and 3. This is 8. On tool, 5 and 3. This is 8. Okay. 9. 5 and 4, 9. 5 and 4, 9. 9 says bye-bye. Okay. You got it?
Ma'am, in
Yes,
normal
ma'am.
numbers, ma'am, and in normal numbers and the abacus numbers, ma'am, in hand it's totally different, ma'am. 10 comes like this, ma'am, like 10.
1 0 10, na? 1 0 10 on
Yes,
abacus,
ma'am.
you make the same.
And
See,
abacus it will be different, ma'am. That's what I'm telling, ma'am.
1 0 10. If you
Yes.
don't have any bead on the rod, it is 0. 1 0 10. The same thing. 1 0 10. Okay, now today we are going to learn one new thing. Okay, today I'm going to tell you one exercise that is related to concentration. Keep your hand like this. Okay, now fold your fingers. Now from this hand, bring out thumb, and from this hand, bring out the small finger. Now you have to do it opposite. Got it? Like this, like this, like this. Same finger, same thumb from both the hands. And start doing it with me. Okay. I know you are going to confuse, but if you are doing it correct, this is very good for your brain. And this increase your concentration. Venugopal, you are also confused. That what's going on? Huh? Okay.
Totally confused.
Do like this. Small finger, thumb. In same direction. See the direction. They are going in same direction. Do it. Everybody do it like this. In the same direction. Now close them. And opposite side in the same direction. Very good, Kusumanjari. Very good. I observe each and every child. Very good. In the same direction. Close, opposite. Close, this side. Close, this side. Close, this side. Sanvi, very good. Okay, now let's increase the speed. Okay, I will count till 10 and let's see. Very good, Prithvik. Correct, correct. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're confused. Yeah, I know you're not able to do. Very good. Kritvik is doing very good, Kritvik.
No,
It's correct. Yeah. Now opposite.
Ma'am,
Very good, Shreyasi. It's correct. Okay. No, Videsh.
Ma'am.
Wrong. Yeah, who
Ma'am.
was ma'am?
ma'am, if we try, we will get it.
Yes, definitely. Even I was
no, at
confused.
first I got
starting.
so confused, ma'am. I used to open this and that and
Do like this. Make a fist. Same direction. Small finger, thumb. Thumb of one hand, small finger of other hand. Now close it. Small finger, thumb. One hand, from one hand, small finger will come out. From one hand, thumb will come out. And in the same direction. Not like,
Ma'am, I have got it.
got it? In the same direction. See?
It's kind of confusing.
No, it's not confusing. If you are going, if you're getting confused, that means lack of concentration. See, Kritvik, very good. I'm observing Kritvik, he is doing very good.
Ma'am, I'm little bit of
Wrong.
confused.
Okay, everybody make with me. First make like this. First make like this. Don't change your position. Make like this. Don't, yeah, I can see. Tanvi, see. In one hand, both fingers are coming out. In one hand, thumb is coming out. So that's wrong now. If you're bringing out the thumb, close the thumb. Yes, in this way. Very good. And now change the direction. Change the direction. One time this. One time this. One time this. And now do it every day. Keep your hand like this and do it every day. And it's very good for your concentration. I will tell you more exercise if you will practice it. Tomorrow I am going to check it, whether you are able to do or not. Okay. Once you
I
will
did correct that, ma'am.
show me. Show me.
It's so hard.
Yes. No, Nitin, don't. It's not hard. Very good, Shreyasi. It's very easy. Once you practice, you see, Kritvik is very small. He is doing it. Videsh? Yes, Videsh. Correct, Videsh. Very good. Kohinoor, correct. Correct, Kohinoor. Sanchita, correct. One by one. Ruchika, you are making mistake little bit. Yeah, Sanskriti, I'm observing you. Very good. Yeah, in the starting, do it slowly. After that, you increase the speed. Sanvi, good.
Ma'am, I have got it, ma'am.
You have got it? Yes. It's very easy. And do it every day. Once you finish it, once you will learn this one, na, I'll tell you more exercise, which are going to increase your concentration. And you can practice it every day in the morning also. When you get up now, do it like this. And this is going to increase your concentration. There are so
Ma'am,
many,
I will.
one by one I'll be telling you, okay?
Ma'am, I will try daily, ma'am.
Yes. Do it daily. Very good.
Ma'am, once I was small, ma'am, I used to do all these kind of things, ma'am.
Yes. Now you can try again. So now I'll be ending the session. Okay. And tomorrow we are going to practice next complement. Okay. You can start
Okay,
doing
ma'am.
which I have uploaded on Google. Do first 5 pages of that book. Okay.
Which one, ma'am?
The book
Excuse me,
I have
ma'am.
uploaded on, who is asking this? You are Kusumanjri?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to give your Google ID. Then sir will add you and you will get the material. Okay.
Ma'am, in mail.
Google Mail. You are in the group now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, bye. Bye. Share your Gmail ID in the group. Okay.
I have
Okay,
shared
ma'am.
my.
You can get. Why? I have uploaded it.
I watched all the previous videos, especially like how to make 2-digit numbers with your tool.
Great. And you got it. Oh, you got everything.
Mm-hmm.
If you watch the video, you will clear with the concept. Don't worry. And Kusumanjri and Ruchika, do all the video. Watch all the videos. Okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I
If you
sent
don't
some.
have any doubt, you can start leaving the class. Yeah. Who was saying? Hitesh, you were saying something. Yeah. Tell me.
I had a question. So like my dad sent the email, but like they never sent me the email about the course and I didn't get the book.
Your email is not added.
No, it's not added. My dad didn't get an email about going to the Google course. We gave it the email and
Save it again. Save it again. Send it again and write down your name. I'm writing. Or
Ma'am,
wait. Let me write.
excuse.
Just give me 1 minute. Hitesh, you didn't get the access. I'm writing the name in the group. And Hitesh,
Okay, ma'am.
Hitesh, who is there?
Ma'am, I did not understand, ma'am. Can you repeat?
Who is saying this?